Hi, this is Julian, and I'm here to unbox the backpack from Division, the replica from the video game that is getting released tomorrow on PS4, PC and Xbox One. So it came today in a bag, and I'm going to unwrap it for you guys today. Okay. And there is a small bag. And it is from UB Workshop. Just go to ubworkshop.com. Okay, and there it is. And this is the agent backpack from the video game. You can put some ID in here, and your canteen or bottles right here, and something else in here. There is one strap right here, and I think you can put your cell phone in here. And there is more space. You can put more stuff in there. And this will be the inside, the middle part. More space in here. It's a very it's an excellent bag, and you can change in here if it is too big for you with the strap. And that is it. That was the backpack from the video game Division, and it's I think it's Canadian dollar is $49.99. Well, thank you for watching me unwrap this backpack from UB Workshop. Bye bye.